What's up guys? For today's video I got few items and my fan mail came from a bunch of brands, companies and things like that. First of all, we got right here a couple of V knives, same as CVV knives except higher end knives. Then we have right here knife elements, knife elements. There you go. We will look into it. I never heard about that brand, so it's exciting to try out something new. Screw top, check this out. I love that. They sent me few of the things before. Check this out. So it's a little keychain pry bar, multi-tool, I guess. Yeah, tool key number 2. That's awesome. And there's another EDC gear little gadgets. Let's go one at a time, see what we get inside of them. That was a little like a preview what I've got. Now that you're excited, I got your attention, I'm excited. Let's see. First of all, ooh, check this out. So it is a higher end models. I hope I get this one. Ooh, $400. Ooh, this is a big one. Wow, that's insane. That's gonna be a big one. This is a cheapest right here, $400 knife. Thank you so much, CVV and V knives. So this is Otter, and so there's a, let's see which one we got. 37-1. So the models would be 37-1. This one right here, and that's a $415 or AMP $350. And this is a CPM 20 CV, amazing blade material. Then there's a black golden handle color. Oh, handle materials. There's a number of the titanium handle, frame lock. So all that good high quality materials. I'm so excited about that. This is gonna be nice. All right, let's open it up. Made better, V knives. Check this out. This is high-end quality knife, a black, and there's a Damascus or Damascus because it's a colored screw over here, washer with the V logo. Beautiful. There's a, let's see. Ooh, it's holds tight. Check this out. With my big hands, probably be the easiest way to open it. Love the floor. Flat right here and drop down, flat right here and drop up. So cool. This is called frame lock, and look at that washer blocking it from you pushing it too far, and it is incredibly smooth. So for me it would be easiest to open it this way. Nice big knife. Where's the balance? Right here. That's good. All right, but actually very easy to open it with the thumb stud. You know what, I always struggle. I put my finger onto the frame lock. I gotta keep my fingers off right here, and that way I will not fight with myself. Look at that, beautiful tight clip. I love that. That is a nice knife. Look how smooth that is, and it is so easy to open it this way, like a little flick. Boom. Takes a lot of practice to do that, but I love it. There's a logo. Bear gum. Is that what it says? Not really sure. Amazing. Thank you so much, CVV, for sending this one over. Let's see what else we can find in here. This one is also top of a line knife. Check this out. This is the J2. So this one, wow, check this out. $134 or $113. So Bender Work Leaf. I hope I pronounce it good. So blade material CPM S35VN, beautiful. A gray stonewash, work lift. This is a blade, name of the blade. There's so many different type of names. There's purple. Okay, the handle clip material stainless steel, and they go pivot materials, titanium. Very important is the actual blade materials and handle. That's pretty much 90% of a knife, maybe even more. and there's also thickness and everything. I'm looking for the handle. Where is that? Handle materials. Canvas America. Very good, durable stuff. Let's see what it's all about. Really excited about this one as well. Comes with all the swag. Let's put that to the side for now. There you go. Made better. Re-knife. Ooh, this is a nice pocket knife. I have seen that one before. This is beautiful. So easy to open. Perfect unboxer. There's a little oil right here because it has like a little drop down and a really nice pointy edge, so it's easy to control how thick the blade will go into the tape, so not cutting through the inside of the boxes. This is a Vaughn design, very popular designer, and there's a name on it, purple. Beautiful. Also, it is so easy to open. Very snappy. Even if I try to flick it a little bit, it just snaps out so good. Look at that. I'm not even trying. Look, I barely touched it. It flicks out so well. Left-handed, easy, both ways. That's incredible. Okay, let's see what the balance is. A little bit right here. There you go. That's a good balance. So very nice. I love it. Such a beautiful knife right here. So let's see what else we have right here. Screw pop tool key number 2. Okay. Yeah, V-knives are amazing. They're like collectible over there. Definitely a lifetime will last. Okay, let's see what's about. I need a little multi-tool over here. Whoa, I see a magnet on it. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's a little magnet in case I need to like put it on a car or something, or pick something up. That's cool. Put it on a ropes and drop it down with the magnet pickup keys, whatever. I don't know. Just interesting. There's a serrated, sharp, some kind of knife. Kind of like a rope cutter. Beautiful little screwdriver, pry bar. Very unique overall. There's a 90% 2.5 angle. I don't know, just very interesting. There's another, looks like a rope cutter inside here too. I like it, very cool. Okay, what else we have right here? Like keychain gadgets over here. This is super interesting. There's a keychain. It can go on the back of the knife like lanyard. So I can get put a lanyard hold, a little paracord to here, make a couple braids and hang it on the back. So that would be cool, especially for the smaller knife. So that way there'll be lanyard extension holder, and maybe like make it short so I can grab to it. So that's what it's for. But also it is a multi-tool. Pretty sure it's on spin. Okay, never mind. This is just comes off, and this is a little screwdriver. It becomes either like a little like a window breaker type of thing. Very interesting. Or almost spinning top if it wasn't so long. But yeah, this side here can put in a little screwdriver. But I do not see the screwdriver. It didn't come with it. So it is potentially, I can put a screwdriver bit in it, but it does not look like it comes with it. I would assume there would be some kind of screw top on one side or somewhere would be inside, but no, it is just either put this one in or put a screwdriver in. So kind of like replaceable. You see that screw bit? Does that come out? I wish that would come out and become a screwdriver too. I don't have any instructions with that. I don't think it comes out. I think it's pretty solid, yeah. But it would have been cool if that would come out and that would come out and become a little screwdriver bit. But still, very cool lanyard bit. multi-tool window breaker. There's no instruction in it. Okay, and one last thing, got right here a note and all this little stuff for my fan mail. Also I'll put the links in the description to my fan mail PO box. What is this right here? Oh, it's V2 Ultra Cookery Folder Black G10 Stonewash Blade. Nice. G10 is pretty good. Okay. Oh, this is right here my PO box. You can already see. Okay, let's see. Couple of cool stickers. Nice. We'll take that. Let's get straight into it. Oh wait, they did give me the little screwdrivers and knives on a side. So I'd have to kind of put it in my pocket. The screwdrivers. I didn't see it. They kind of come out right here. There's a little knife and a little screwdriver bit, but it have to kind of come separately. It does not go inside there. So that's cool. Okay, let's see what we got right here. There's the model number. Okay. Ooh, this is like a Spartan sword. Reminds me of, if you have seen a movie Spartan, they have like swords with blades like that, but much bigger. I really like that, like a big drop to where, I don't know, breaking up boxes. Kind of cool. I don't know, maybe more of a camping knife. It's just a very unique one. Fox Knives Italy, number 690 core. I love Fox knives. I have made a lot of videos of Fox knife, and this is Elements designer, or the name of the knife, not sure. So it is very easy to grab it with two hands. This is a frame lock, or it's a flipper. Very comfortable, big knife. Let's see what the balance would be. Exactly, it's a bit hefty. Exactly where my fingers would be when I hold it. That's good. Well balanced knife. Look at that. Even this way, very well balanced knife. Handle is just nice. There's a clip. Ooh, tight clip. I like it. Okay, there's a little protector. And look at that edges, so that way it's easier to lift it up. So cool. Is there any other way to open it? Not really. I guess I could open it this way. That's much slower than just flipping it. Boom. And I have right here one more Roaring Fire EDC tool with a MOLLE system. This is a MOLLE system. It will go to any other like backpacks, and it will attach to like that and locks in. So this is cool, or it could be attached to anything, but that's what the name of it. There's a little holder, so miniature everyday carry kit, so the knife can fit in here easily, or like pry bars, big things, customizable with the patches. I really like that. Carabiner, beautiful little like covered, what do you call this, lanyards. And let's open it. Boom, you have right here 3 pieces. Nice. This is also like a holders for like a pants, or like a knife pants size. Fits in there super well. There's a little drop pouch for other things. Boom. Same thing right here, duplicate for much bigger knives. For example, I have right here a knife sitting around. Boom. There's another knife, much bigger one. Will probably go on this side. So just overall really nice holders. It can go straight in there. There's a little carabiner, so I can hang the whole thing, and everything shouldn't fall out, but it's best to like kind of lay it down. There's maybe like a bandage and survival kit can go in here, a little bit of parts and different things. There's another carabiner on this side. Very nice. I would probably replace the carabiners and upgrade them for something better, but that's will do the job. Super nice, easy to grab, take things out. There's another pouch right here for my pry bar. Boom. I love it. And the materials is soaked into something, so we'll hold all the little survival or like first aid kit, or maybe even survival kit inside right here. Maybe I will build a little survival kit for the video in one of these everyday carry baggies. That will be a cool video. But yeah, I really like it. Thank you so much for sending it to me in a fun mail.